The internet is full of scary examples of people trying things that they believe will clean out their insides. From colon enemas to DIY colon cleanses, these trends are dangerous and should be avoided. Colon cleansing or colon irrigation involves flushing the colon with fluids to remove waste. It is a practice that dates back to ancient times, but the supposed health benefits of these cleanses are largely unsupported by science. While some believe it can lead to weight loss, better digestion, and increased energy, the reality is far more complicated. Colon cleansing typically involves the use of fluids pushed through the rectum to expel waste. Advocates of colon cleansing argue it helps with weight loss, clearer thinking, and digestive improvement. However, the scientific evidence backing these claims is limited. A study published in 2016 showed improvements in GI symptoms for some irritable bowel syndrome patients, but that does not mean colon cleanses are safe for everyone. While colon cleanses may sound like a quick fix for digestive issues or weight loss, the truth is they can cause serious harm to your body. Dehydration, infection, and even internal injury are real risks that cannot be ignored. Colon cleansing is not without significant risks. Dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, bacterial infections, and even bowel perforation are just a few of the serious issues that can happen. Let's break down these risks. Dehydration. Colon cleansing removes not just waste, but fluids which can lead to dehydration. Severe dehydration can cause kidney failure in extreme cases. Electrolyte imbalance. Your body depends on electrolytes like potassium and sodium to maintain cell function. Colon cleanses can upset this balance, potentially leading to kidney damage or even unconsciousness. Bacterial imbalance and infection. Colon cleanses can introduce harmful bacteria into the GI system, especially if equipment is not properly sterilized. They can also remove beneficial bacteria that protect you from infection. Bowel perforation. A tear in the wall of the intestine is a medical emergency that can occur during a colon cleanse. It can lead to sepsis or even death if not treated immediately. The body is naturally equipped to detoxify itself, especially with the liver and kidneys doing most of the work. Colon cleansing should only be done under medical supervision, like in the case of bowel prep before a colonoscopy. Another thing to consider when approaching your own colon health is eat a balanced diet. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Drink plenty of water. Include foods that contain fiber like nuts, seeds, berries, and whole grains. Boost your gut microbiome by including fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, raw apple cider vinegar, sourdough bread, and kombucha in your diet. Before trying any type of colon cleanse, consult your healthcare provider. Don't risk your health for unproven benefits. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video to spread the word on the dangers of colon cleanses.